Hi there, welcome back to my channel Car Tips and Solutions, the go to place for all things automotive. Today we have got a real treat for you. We are diving into the nitty gritty of car diagnostics, specifically tackling the notorious P1300 code. If that's been hunting you right, you're in the right place. Stick around as we decode and resolve the mystery behind the P1300 code. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our features automotive adventures. Think first, what is the P1300 code? Well, it is not some secret society password. It is a diagnostic trouble code that your car computer throws at you when there is a specific issue. In a simple terms, it's like a car is a way of saying, Austin, we have a problem. Now, let's break down what it really means. The P1300 code is related to the ignition system, which is the heart of a car's performance. It often points to a misfire in one or more cylinders. This misfire can lead to a variety of symptoms, including rough idling, poor fuel efficiency, and even that dreaded check engine light. But fear not, we are here to guide you through the troubleshooting process. To get started, you will need an OBD2 scanner. It's like the doctor's stethoscope for your car. Plug it into the OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard, and let's see what secret your car's hiding. There's There it is, P1300 code. But remember, the code itself doesn't tell us the full story. It is more like symptoms. We need to play detective and find the root cause. Common culprits include faulty ignition coil, spark plugs, or even issue with the fuel injection system. Now comes the fun part, solving the puzzle. If you want to solve it with yourself, this is where you can roll up your sleeves. Start by inspecting the ignition coils and spark plugs. Most of in cases, P1300 code means that the ignition coil is not working. So you need to replace this ignition coil, and also you need to check the spark plugs. Look for any other wear or corrosion or damage. If you find the right culprit, replace the faulty coil, ignition coil, and might just be on your way to smooth ride. This is Arif signing off from Car Tips and Solutions. But remember, when the life throws you a P1300 code, rev up your engine and show it who's the boss. Catch you in the next video.